Hey guys, how are you today? In today's live trading webinar, a live trading session, in this webinar I will talk about US dollar longs because as you already know, I've told you that I'm looking for new US dollar longs, buying positions, opportunities. Also, I will talk about yen. Right now, Kumar, hi, how are you? US 30 also, because we have something like a range, and also about yen, guys. I still need confirmation on the Japanese yen before I will maybe take action. I will go long or short, I don't know. Right now, I'm still waiting for the Japanese yen basket to confirm a potential new direction or something. Here is the risk disclaimer. Please read it. It's important for you to understand the risks. You can email support, guys, if you have questions about subscription services, yeah, and or any other questions. Follow us on Instagram, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us, you can access the link posted right below this video. So yeah, earlier today I will start Colin, hi, how are you? Earlier I was looking at US dollar versus the Mexican peso. I have also something like a setup here. Okay, I will hide this setup for now only because yeah, we had a breakout here through this downtrend line. Okay, something like a double bottom reversal pattern, upside reversal pattern here, breakout, but still I don't know why, but right now I'm still afraid that maybe this breakout could be invalidated only because we have this former lows here, something like a resistance area, maybe in the short term here around these levels. That's why maybe personally I'll wait maybe for the price to, even if a breakout retest, only false breakdown here, maybe I'll wait for a test retest sideways movement here to confirm maybe potential upside continuation here in US dollar versus the Mexican peso. I've told you guys that I'm looking for US dollar longs in the short term, yeah, only because let's take a look, dollar index. Yeah, I've told you also today and yesterday when the price was here, when the dollar index was here, that I want the dollar index to test retest the 97.73 to, I don't know, to register only false breakdowns before it will maybe turn to the upside, before it will develop a new leg higher. So yeah, unfortunately we missed something on euro versus the US dollar today after something like this, yeah, because personally, so I have this one here, this level, this former high, so only false breakdowns, so 97.73 as support, and here 1, 2, and 3 on ascending pitchfork sideways movement, and here only false breakdown with great separation. One moment. Yeah, so hi, bring major, pair, or gold. Yeah, I will take a look on majors and also on gold. So sorry about that. One moment. So sorry about that. So I will take a look again on US dollar Mexican peso first of all, and as I've said, Bron, it's up to you what you want, if you want to take profits or not, or if you want to wait for Orlando's trade management. That's long in gold is Orlando's trade, so yeah, he will come back with his management, but right now he's keeping his trades, he's keeping his long in gold, yeah, and also swing trades on US 100 and Ethereum. So yeah, I've talked about US dollar versus the Mexican peso earlier, and I've said that yeah, maybe personally after this breakout, even if in the short term here on 15 minutes the price retested the broken level here, resistance 19.905. But maybe here I still want to see something, maybe a new a temporary drop here, test retest here, consolidation accumulation before US dollar versus the Mexican peso will really extend its growth here in the short term. So I'm looking at something like this. I didn't want it today to go to place a buy stop here because yeah, I was afraid that maybe we'll have something like a breakout and then bearish engulfing, which could invalidate the breakout and then downside movement. So right now I'm still waiting for maybe for confirmation here. I want the price to come back to retest the broken downtrend line here on 15 minutes and 19.905 before yeah, developing a strong upwards movement. So I will go back and I will take a look on the dollar index. As you already know, guys, I've talked about the dollar index here on the short term in my daily market breakdowns. Yesterday the dollar index was around these levels and I said that I want the dollar index to hit 97.73 to retest it, to print a bullish pattern here, to register only false breakdowns before turning to the upside. Right now, guys, yeah, a strong rally, but also here maybe I want the price to, I don't know, to move sideways or to retreat a little before it will resume its upside movement, and a temporary retreat here, if right now, if it will register only false breakouts above the daily R1, above the weekly S1, yeah, it could signal that maybe the dollar index could retreat a little. Unfortunately, Braun, gotcha, makes sense. Yeah, so that is Orlando's trade, and he will come back with his management. So let's take a look here on the economic calendar. Unfortunately, earlier today, unemployment claims worse than expected. Yeah, in the last week. Core price index, yeah, in line with expectations. Personal income, yeah, in line with expectations. Unfortunately, personal spending, only 0.2% growth versus 0.5% growth expected. And yeah, later, I don't know, in 13 minutes, 14 minutes, the US is to release Chicago PMI. This could bring some action also on the US dollar. But after something like this, yeah, personally, maybe I want to see something like this, like a temporary retreat maybe before jumping higher, or sideways movement, or here an accumulation, valid breakout above the S1 before I will consider going long on the US dollar. Because yeah, as I've said, I will I'll look for new US dollar longs, yeah, after the dollar index reaches this support zone, support area. Yeah, maybe in the short term we missed something like this. Let's take a look, euro versus the US dollar. I will take a look also on gold, on Nasdaq. Yeah, Braun, does Nasdaq and gold have any relation? I don't know. Right now, unfortunately, correlations are not working very good. But so here on euro versus the US dollar, maybe we missed something here after the dollar index reached that support zone after registering false breakdown. Yeah, we had something here in the short term, but yeah, maybe a temporary rebound here. I don't know, maybe euro versus US dollar will come back to retest maybe 1.1137, or I don't know, yeah, this level as well, former low as resistance, 1.1121, and here, if it will maybe retest, it could bring us maybe new short opportunities, because right now it has reached 1.1071 as support. Okay, so only a short-term sell-off in the short term here. Okay, a short term, maybe on lower time frames, on 15 minutes or something. But yeah, I will keep an eye on euro versus the US dollar, because right now we don't have something really good. I don't want to yeah. So let's take a look on gold. Don't worry, because I'm keeping an eye on all markets, and I will come back with more trades for the VIP members when I'll have confirmation. So yeah, Orlando is keeping his gold yeah. And right now you can see that gold, yeah, breaks this immediate high 1938.48, and the value breakout here, a new higher high could signal potential upside continuation. Personally, I've had here, yeah, maybe I will delete this uptrend line. I've had 1, 2, and 3, a descending pitchfork. It has found support on the lower medium line, breakout, retest, and right now a new higher high could signal potential growth here. Yeah, maybe towards the upper medium line, towards this resistance area again. So that's why I've said that Orlando is still keeping his long in gold. And of course, you can do whatever you want. If you want to take profits, it's your account, it's your I don't know, it's your call. But if you want to wait for Orlando's yeah, trade management, yeah. Not VIP signals today. Yeah, maybe we'll send our trades, we'll share more trades, maybe in Japanese yen and US dollar later. And I don't know why you want to trade, I don't know, you want to trade 10 times per day, yeah? Or I don't know, we'll share only high probability trades when we'll have something really good. I will not send trades only because you want to, I don't know, to open 10 trades per day or 10 positions per day. It's up to you. If you want to take 10 positions per day, it's up to you. You can yeah, you can open as many positions you want. It's your call, but personally I will share only high probability trades when I have something, because yeah, this is what I'm doing here. So any opinion on US Tech 100 Oliver follow-up? So yeah, about gold, this is my analysis here. And yeah, as I've said, the bias is bullish, and Orlando will come back with his management when he will decide maybe to manage his position. Silver as well, rally, but we don't have a great opportunity right now here in silver. That's why I will move on. Yeah, a strong rally also here on silver, only because the price of gold rallies. Are you looking at US dollar, Japanese yen? Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. One moment. Okay. One moment, because I have to check something. Yeah. Okay. Hi, sir. Yeah. Hi. How are you? So we don't have something in silver. I will take a look on your messages and will try to answer to your message. So, yeah, bring major pairs and gold. So we talked about gold. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I will take a look on that market as well later. US 100. So about US 100, yeah, maybe temporary retreat here, but in my opinion the bias is still bullish as long as it stays above the weekly R1, above 15,000 and 15,003. Sanjay Galada, what is the call on gold? Are you a VIP member? And if you are a VIP member, you already know that we have actually Orlando is long on gold. Yeah, in deep profit. Gold is strongly bullish, and right now US 100 retreat, and this could still be only a temporary retreat as long as it stays above the R1, above the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, in my opinion. And after this strong rally, yeah, maybe temporary drop, temporary retreat was natural, was expected. Yeah, and I don't know, maybe the price action could develop something like a triangle here. Let's wait. Yeah, a triangle pattern on upside continuation pattern, or maybe we'll have a flag pattern here, something like this. Yeah, also as a continuation pattern. Hi, what is your opinion on what? On Ethereum? Okay, I don't know, I'm not managing okay, sorry. Yeah, Orlando also has a swing trade in Ethereum, so you will have to wait also for Orlando's management, for Orlando's update about that Ethereum versus US dollar swing position. Yeah. Colin, do you analyze mostly on 1 hour chart? No, I'm analyzing. Analyzing all charts, time frames. Okay. But right now I don't have time to take a look on US 100 on daily, weekly, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. So I will keep an eye only here, because I know, yeah, because I know that the bias is bullish here. I know that we have an upside movement, and personally I'm looking right now in the short term only for upside continuation patterns. That's why I'm looking right now on the lower time frames, like 1 hour or 15 minutes or something. Okay. So yeah, the bias is still bullish. Orlando will come back with his management, is his trade on US 100, yeah, on Nasdaq US, yeah. Okay, so it seems that Sanjay, you are not a VIP member. Where can buy and trade details? So if you want to get our trades, you can become a VIP member. Yeah, you can access the link posted right below this video. And as I've said, or one moment, because I will share that link into the YouTube chat. So yeah, if you want to get our trades, all our trades, because if you are only a free member, you will get, I don't know, maybe only around 20% of the VIP content, VIP trades. So if you want to get all our trades, you can become a VIP member by accessing that link, and yeah, for only £35 per month. Yeah. Gold, strongly bullish, as I've said. And yeah, Orlando's trade. Let's take a look again on our real account, because Orlando's long in gold is really good. Yeah. US oil, I will try to answer to your questions as well. I will take a look also on that on US dollar Japanese yen. And I've had another question about Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Why do you want to trade that market? So yeah, please take a look here. Also, yeah, this Nasdaq is still in profit, and here Orlando's gold, yeah, long in gold, in profit. Yeah. Okay, about US oil, it has reached what? I get so much spam from Discord users for trading signals. Not saying you do. I don't understand. Don't forget, guys, that there are a lot of scams in Telegram. Also, there are other groups, but there are scamming groups. So that's why please don't send money online to anyone pretending that it's learn to trade, or I don't know, pretending that it's Olympio, it's Orlando or Aziz. Yeah, so please don't send money online to anyone. Also, you have to be careful, because there are also scamming groups in Telegram. I don't know about Discord, yeah, right now. So US oil, let's take a look here. So an immediate uptrend line, retests of this uptrend line. Maybe personally I will delete this descending pitchfork. I will delete these drawings maybe. Right now it's premature to say that we'll have an upside continuation, but yeah, as you already know, I don't know, Sanjay, if you can pay in Indian rupees. Please send an email to support. So please send an email to support and they will come back to you. Okay, the support team will come back to you. I really don't know. Personally, I'm not working for the support team. I'm here only, yeah, as a senior trader, yeah, analyst. So please send an email to support. They will help you with subscription, yeah. And if you have maybe more questions about subscription services, I don't know, payment, or I don't know. So this is the only way we can communicate via and using that email, not on Telegram. Not you cannot contact me on Telegram. You cannot contact me on email. So we have that support email. So yeah. So US oil. I don't know right now. I don't want to go long from here, even if maybe I'll wait, maybe for a sideways movement, retest, maybe for a new higher high here in US oil to confirm a potential yeah, new upwards movement or something. And because here, guys, a new lower low or a valid breakdown below the uptrend line could signal potential drop, but here something like a sideways movement, a new higher high could signal a new leg higher or something. Okay, in US oil I don't have something really good right now. Let's go back, because I really want to open a trade maybe during this live session. Don't forget, guys, to like this video. Yeah, right now dollar index only false breakout. Let's go back. US dollar Mexican peso. Yeah, maybe I will still have that that retreat here. Yeah, that's retest sideways movement before I will go long. And yeah, I've had something like a potential setup, but right now most likely I will add it, maybe this setup. Maybe I will move my stop loss higher. I don't know, maybe I will use another entry here. I don't know, but once I'll have when I'll have a clear when I'll have a new trade here, when I'll have confirmation, and yeah, I will come back with because I don't know, maybe I will use lower time lower take profit or higher take profit. Right now I don't know, that's why I will delete this setup from here, but this is my thought process. Rahman, do you learn to trade have account copy service? No, right now no. So yeah, as I said earlier, I want to see something like this here in US dollar versus the Mexican peso, sideways movement, test retest before it will resume its growth. And yeah, I will come back with a potential trade here. I will share my trade, guys, here in US dollar versus the Mexican peso later, because yeah, US dollar, Singapore dollar, let's take a look. Yeah, rebound here. I don't have something. US dollar, South African rand. Yeah, strong rally after this false breakdown, new higher high, but right now only because the dollar index retreats. Yeah, or actually after its false breakout here, the dollar index could depreciate a little, but as I've said, maybe I want to see something like this, a new retreat before developing a larger and a strong leg higher, swing higher. Okay. Okay, US dollar, Canadian dollar. I will talk also about US equities. I will, yeah. Unfortunately, here on the British pound versus the US dollar, an up channel here, but right now you can see that it has registered only a false breakdown with great separation. So yeah, the upside pressure is still high here in the short term on the British pound versus the US dollar after something like this. Okay. Personally, I have a resistance zone, resistance area here, and also this yeah, this up channel could represent a bearish pattern, but yeah, in the short term it could maybe come back to retest all these levels, resistance levels, yeah, and only a valid breakdown below the uptrend line could bring us maybe new short opportunities or something. Right now I don't want to do anything here because yeah, I don't have a great and a high probability trade. US dollar, Japanese yen, and yeah, I will try to answer to your questions. So yeah, I've had someone asked me about US dollar, Japanese yen. Are you long US dollar, Japanese yen? The Nichols show, are you long US dollar, Japanese yen? No, I'm not long. Yeah, I'm not long on this market only because please take a look here. Yeah, sorry about this. So I'm not long here on the US dollar versus the Japanese yen because you can see that we are in a corrective phase. Yeah, breakdown. It has tried to retest the broken uptrend line, and right now it tries to resume its sell-off, its downside movement. It has escaped. Yeah, it has escaped from this pattern, from this channel. But no, right now I'm not long, and no, I will stay away. I don't have a high probability trade right now here in US dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, I don't know, maybe here in the short term, sideways movement, test, retest, false breakdowns could signal something, but no, right now I will the dollar index retreated a little, and right now US dollar, Japanese yen dropped also because, let's take a look, yen basket. So further growth here on the yen basket. I've talked about yen basket in my analysis these days, market breakdowns, video analysis, and yeah, I've talked about maybe potential growth towards this major downtrend line here, and I've said that potential further growth could force the yen to appreciate versus its rivals. Right now you can see that it has escaped from this, I don't know, rising wedge up channel, but yeah, it has found support on the 33.6 rebound. Right now, as long as this index continues to grow, Japanese yen could still appreciate versus its rival. So that's why, yeah, personally I was looking also at something like this. Yeah, potential setup. Actually, I have two potential setups here. Maybe long, yeah, buying opportunity, but yeah, I will hide it from here because right now it's far from being confirmed. I want something like this. So we have support zone here, test, retest, false breakdowns, valid breakout could signal potential new leg higher. So this is one of my scenarios, and maybe I have also something like a short, yeah, setup opportunity, but also for something like this I'll wait for the pair to print something like this, valid breakdown below 159.03, below the medium line to activate a downside movement. So right now, yeah, I don't have something really good here on the Japanese yen, on the British pound versus the Japanese yen. So let's go back, yen basket, and I'm looking actually, and I've told you guys that this could still be only a temporary rebound, temporary growth. Okay, so that's why if the if the yen basket will stay below, yeah, the pivot point below the downtrend line, test retest, new downside movement could signal that the US dollar could depreciate again and could bring us new Japanese yen short opportunities. Okay, but right now I've said that I've told you guys that it tries to extend its growth, but 84.51 as resistance, static resistance, staying below it, staying below the uptrend line, test retest, a new downside movement could force the yen to depreciate, guys. Yeah, so that's why I'm looking also for Japanese yen shorts. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so yeah, Orlando's trading gold is in deep profit. Yeah, okay, so euro Japanese yen, I don't know. Yeah, I've told you that as long as the Japanese yen basket continues to grow, the Japanese yen could appreciate versus rivals. Right now, yeah, it tries to take out this support. No, I will not sell it here. Yeah, please take a look here. This could represent a flag, down channel. Yeah. And if it stays above this level, above this former low, sideways movement, test retest, false breakdowns, I don't know, it could bring us something, but only if the personally, yeah, I'll wait for the yen basket to, I don't know, to test retest here to indicate a potential new sell-off, downside movement, leg down, or if it will make a very breakout here and test retest upside the continuation, then I will look maybe for US dollar longs. Okay, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Also here, yeah, I have something like this, but I will hide it. It's premature to talk about something like this as long as the price continues to stay below the downtrend line. And here in the short term, we have something like a falling wedge pattern. This could be a reversal pattern, an upside reversal pattern. Yeah, and but we still need confirmation here as well. Okay, here we have support, the pivot point, and only a very breakout could signal potential growth. But here in the short term, I want to see something like this: test, retest, false breakdowns, very breakout, and then a new leg higher, maybe. Okay, on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and only something like this, guys. Very breakdown below the pattern's downside line, below the weekly pivot point, could activate a larger downside movement. Okay. Okay, guys. So yeah. So I've talked about gold. What's your opinion? US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's take a look. US dollar, Canadian dollar. My opinion. So former low here. Okay, 1.2453, only false breakdown. Right now it has jumped above the descending pitch force upper medium line, which represented a dynamic resistance. Yeah, I will take a look also. One moment, guys. Where's that message? Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, sorry. Yeah. Strong rebound. But here in the short term, maybe I want this dollar, Canadian dollar to retest the broken upper medium line before it will try to develop a larger upside movement. So it has it has registered only false breakdown here below these former lows, and also after something like this the potential rebound is in cards, but we still need confirmation in the short term. Yeah, only false breakout above the pivot point 1, 2 and 3 here. Maybe I would like also something like this. I don't know. Yeah. Here on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Right now I don't have something really good. I will not buy it here because it could drop. I will not sell it here because it could test retest before jumping higher. Okay. Australian dollar, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Why don't you tell me what you're looking at? I don't know, your time frame, if you're long, short, what you're looking at on this market, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, if you're still here. One moment. Yeah. So when you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, because I don't know, because maybe personally I will analyze the market on 4 hour, 1 hour daily, and maybe you want on 15 minutes or something, you have something else. So yeah, I cannot answer to that question if you don't tell me what you are looking at in the short term. Yeah. In the short term, something like this. Let's take a look on 4 hour. Yeah. So something like potential support if it stays and stabilizes above this zone area, and only false breakdowns here below the weekly pivot point, signaling strong upside pressure. Yeah, maybe something like a triangle here in the short term. Valid breakout, new higher high could signal potential growth. I don't know, but yeah, I'm not trading this market. Yeah, also strong rally, retreat, and right now it tries to stabilize above the medium line of the descending pitchfork, staying above it, staying above this area. For risky. Can you tell me the potential in GBPUSD market right now? I talked about the British pound versus the US dollar, but I will take a look again on that market. So this is my opinion here in Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I'm not trading this market, but yeah, staying here, and something like this could signal potential growth. I don't know, but don't forget that we have these former highs at as resistance levels, as immediate upside obstacles. So, as I've said earlier, when I've talked about British pound versus the US dollar, I've said that it has, please take a look here. So, these former lows as resistance levels, okay? In my opinion. As resistance levels, resistance area or something. And here, unfortunately, the price failed to stabilize above 1.3194, 1.3170, 1.3160. Strong downside movement, and right now it has retested this area. It has printed something like in the short term 5-15 minutes. Yeah, I will take a look here on 1 hour, because it's better here to take a look on 1 hour. Yeah, I will take a look on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, but please, for ease, I'm not a financial advisor, so these are only my opinions, my analysis. Yeah. So an up channel here, and this up channel, I've said that this up channel could represent a bearish pattern, okay, but we'll need a valid breakdown and maybe also a new lower low, yeah, to confirm a potential downside movement. Right now, after something like this, only false breakdown with great separation. I don't want to do anything here in the short term on the British pound versus the US dollar, okay. Also false breakdown below 1.310909, and we have maybe here something like a range pattern in the short term on 15 minutes, okay. Range pattern. So personally, I'll wait for the price to escape maybe from this pattern, from this range, and as I've said, I don't know, maybe sideways movement, a new higher high could signal potential growth towards this area again. And I don't know, sideways movement, false breakouts, very breakdown could signal potential growth. So I'll wait maybe for the British pound versus US dollar to escape from this range, to make a very breakout above 1.3149, or to make a very breakdown below 1.310909. Yeah. So I will not tell you what to do here, because as long as I don't have a setup, a high probability trade, yeah. If I will have a potential trade here on this market, yeah, I will share my trade into the in the VIP group only. Yeah. So this is my opinion here in the short term on the British pound versus the US dollar. Yeah. Further drop, US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, unfortunately it has invalidated here something. Let's go back. US dollar, Mexican peso. Yeah. Let's wait, guys. I told you that I was afraid that to place a buy stop here, only because I don't know, a potential breakout could be invalidated. We have this resistance area, resistance zone, these former lows. But I will